stronger you see bubble wow amazing yeah see this is the nature and spring it. No one created in the teaching of Buddhism something like this it is natural the way it is no one create there's no god behind no spirit behind no anything behind us if someone speak this voice in our brain yes in our head there's nobody it's just our consciousness yeah. Beautiful I like oh